The mischievous ship. It's a cold day, and people are burning firewood to keep warm. The sheep are having a great time.
Jump, everyone!
Do these two sheep want to join in too? But their thick walls cover their eyes.
What's going on, sheep? Look around.
A sheep accidentally disrupts the entire music session. This is probably the cause.
Sheep's wool. Uh-huh. We need a sheep shearing machine. That's a good idea. Let's go. Bye.
Mario wants to lead the flock into the pen first, ensuring safety for the sheep and those around them.
Wait here, Luigi.
Luigi sets off to get the sheep shearing machine.
Hello!
Wow! Here's the sheep shearing machine! And what's this machine for?
All set. Let's go back. I'm back.
Let's see how the sheep shearing machine works.
Mario, hold the sheep tight. Hey, stop. Huh? You ruined my beautiful woolly coat. Oh, I'm sorry.
Focus, Luigi. The sheep must have seen everything clearly now, right? Jumping again.
Wait for me. We'll have a warm sheep wool clothes.
So, this is the wool pressing machine. Put the sheep's wool into the machine. What's next? Wow, a piece of sheep wool fabric. It's really thick and warm. Add another bunch.
Okay.
Now we have enough warm clothes for the Mario Brothers. Goodbye, everyone.
Oh, back off quickly. Huh? Take it.
Bowser and the startling sneeze. Mario is harvesting fruits.
That's enough. You'll ruin all the fruits. I know. Go!
Luigi sets off to sell the fruits. Mario is taking a nap at this hour. At Bowser's house, the watermelon field has been eaten by worms.
Oh no! Worms have eaten all my watermelons!
Bowser's stomach starts growling. Bowser decides to go in search for food. How clumsy! Here we go, bananas!
No one's around!
Bowser dives in and devours the banana plantation. Oh, Bowser sneezes. Mario steps into the garden.
What's going on? Oh, hey!
Hey.
Bowser, why are you stealing my fruits?
Oh, back off quickly!
The meat-eating plant almost attacks Bowser. Very dangerous.
My watermelons were ruined by worms. I'm hungry, so then why not plant pineapples? Luigi, I want to plant pineapples to help Bowser.
What? Help Bowser? Okay then.
The pineapple seedlings are loaded onto the truck.
Hey, let go!
I'm here. Here are the pots of pineapple plants.
First, the fruit garden needs to be cleaned up.
Okay. Let go!
The excavator clears all the garbage on fruit garden, even the meat-eating plant from the earlier. Now, let's cultivate the soil for planting. Does Bowser know how to take care of plants?
Wow, the pineapples are big and fragrant.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Help me bring the pineapples home.
Let go!
Thank you very much.
The pineapples have been safely transported.
You guys are really kind. Thank you very much.
Poprice Blasting Machine. Are you okay? I'm fine. That tractor. Tractor goes over a log and drops some pop rice on the road.
So fragrant. I want to eat it.
Wow!
Don't eat. It's dirty. Yummy.
I want to eat. Me too.
Me too. They all want to eat pop rice.
Hey, why don't we make some pop rice?
Okay, I'll do it.
Let go!
Mario drives the tractor to the rice fields. Wow! The rice flowers are laden with seeds and fragrance. The harvester is in position, preparing to harvest rice.
Wait. Okay.
Done. Now, let's go to Luigi.
Okay, let's go.
At Luigi's store. Hi, Luigi. I want to make some pop rice. It's simple, Mario. That's right. Turn it on. First, the rices are put into the grinder to get the patty. Then put them in the rice blaster. Wow, the first Poprice stick appears. That's really awesome. Continue with the remaining rice. Rice. Some Poprice sticks. The Poprice sticks are long, pure white, and crispy.
Let go.
I'm here! Yeah! Poprice for you? For you? It's all yours.
Thank you so much, Mario.
Bye-bye! Now you know what to do, right? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and goodbye. Strawberry garden in the sky. Organic fruits shop. Lots of clean fruit products. All kinds of cakes. Please!
No!
Please!
No!
Discount up to 50%. Hey! Super discount here, everyone!
Hey!
What? 90% off? This is so boring. Has Luigi tiredly took the watering can, went to the well. It looked dangerous. Oops, Luigi fell. Very quickly, Luigi reaches up. But where is this? What fruit is that? Luigi tries one. Oh, delicious! A seed. Luigi immediately thinks of growing this new fruit. More. Just like that, Luigi brings back a large bag of fruit. Luigi eats, spits out seeds, eats again, spits out seeds again. Now, goes and sows the seeds. A nice little field. Luigi excitedly shovels the soil. Next is sowing seeds. Watering is not difficult at all. Let's see the results.
A few moments later.
Wow, a field of bright red, fragrant, sweet fruit. Tomorrow, Luigi eagerly goes to harvest the fruit, but something is wrong. Only one fruit left. Oh no, what happened? My fruit! Oh, so it's the captain. Captain shovels the field away. Why does he do that? Hey! What are you doing with my fruit field? We were assigned the task of building a road here. Oh no, you can't do that!
Several days later.
That can't be like that. Aha! Mario, I need your help. Okay. Are they what Luigi needs? Wonder what Luigi wants to do.
Okay, let's go.
Hi, Mario. Here you are. Thank you. Bye-bye. Luigi digs. What are these 4 holes in the ground for? Let's all wait. Ha! Wow, a new fruit field, but it is strange. Captain appears again. Hey, I said this area is for road construction. You just keep it. Sorry, Luigi. Huh? Oh my god! It turns out that Luigi's field can be raised and lowered,
Okay, let's go.
so the captain's tractor can still go through. Now, it's time to harvest the fruit and sell it.
Okay.
Hello!
Hey, let's go, let's go. Bye.
No.
Oh no. Okay. Okay.
Two hours later.
Oh no!
No. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Bye!
You. Oh no!
Okay, thật lẹ, thật lẹ.
Hey, let go.
Let's go, let's go, let's go! Hey, let's go, let's go! Okay. Go. Let's go. Okay. Help me! Okay. Okay.